all the gang are here, and yeah.
Good morning everyone, and welcome to Everything Electric London 2024. The doors are open!
Yay! What do you do on a bank holiday? You take your family to Everything Electric. So come with me. Right, we've got 94% and it's saying 184 miles. So yeah, everything is packed. Right, we just arrived and all looks well. Car park is not too full, and yeah, picked a spot, parked there nicely. 38% left, 71 miles. So I believe I can get to Cambridge, I hope anyway, in the evening, depending on traffic and other variables. And here we go. All the gang are here, and yeah.
Good morning everyone, and welcome to Everything Electric London 2024. The doors are open!
Yay! This is the Volvo stand. Nice looking car. $295. The range, the color moss yellow, pine automatic, single motor, 272 brake horsepower, and 5.3 seconds to 0 to 60, 343 Newton meter electric. So this one is for $38,545. Then there's a white one there. It's a Volvo. Again, this is a twin motor version. Indigo. A twin motor one is 428 brake horsepower and 543 Newton meter electric. And this one is for $44,495. That's the performance version on it. 0 to 60 is in 3.6 seconds. So that's rapid, absolutely rapid. BYD, amazing car, good looking car. Of the Kia EV9, my dream car. It's happening now, and Rory is going to do that at 3:30. So he's having a look at the car, looking around and to see, which is nice, to be fair. That's the Tesla Owners Club over there. And the nice EQS over there. It's been a good day. It's been a good day. Busy, and everyone is tired now, so we will make our way back to Peterborough, back to Cambridgeshire. But we've had a good day, seen all the cars, seen everything electric, and I saw also my heat pump, which was good. You know, the heat pump that we're gonna get, just seen it as well, which is nice. It's been a good day. It's been a good day, definitely. And do subscribe to the channel and enjoy all the content that I'm going to build, all the chat about the heat pumps. I'll be doing that. So do subscribe to the channel and hope to see you soon in all its glory.